It's Yes and Monday. Each week, I'm going to dive into some different aspects of the yes and mindset. And this week, we're going to talk about active listening. Now, there are a ton of benefits to actively listening to one another, and you can find all those benefits in a quick Google search. Today, what I want to focus on is how to help you to actually improve that skill of active listening. And it starts with the yes and mindset, because at its core, yes and invites us to say yes to the last thing that was said and add onto it. And if you do that, you're going to find out really quickly that you can't add on to something that you didn't hear. The yes and mindset challenges us to flex that muscle of active listening. We perk up, we pay attention, we become more present, and we listen for understanding so that we can add on with something of value to move that scene or that idea forward. So, in your next conversation, put a little pressure on yourself to add something constructive to what you've just heard. I bet you'll be just a little bit more likely to listen to what your teammate is saying. Check in next week for more. In the meantime, subscribe to discover more about the yes and mindset.